is Ranveer. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to make your laptop or PC 10 times faster. There is only one trick, and there are only two tricks, and I can make your laptop 2 times faster. So first step is go to settings. This is settings, and type here storage. Storage. You click here storage. You can see here, and then you can see you can see here click change how is free up space. Click there. Okay, after clicking, then you should enable these two options, and then click on clean now. So it has cleared the space, so you can see here. Okay, now this is not activated. Just go back side and you can see this here. This PC, you can click here. You should not clean any files from here. You should click from here any files of yours. So this is the first step. Second step is Windows R. Click Windows R and you will see in box type the fetch. Click on continue. After clicking on continue, then just control and select all the files, and then click on shift delete. So delete these files for now. See, there are 258 files. Click on yes. You click here and click on shift. If it doesn't work, leave it like this only. So like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll meet you on the next video. Bye.